So alright guys, in this video, in the second video of Excel playlist, we are going to make how you can use formulas, some basic formulas that every analyst should know, and how you can use those formulas to use your data correctly, and how you can manage your data. So welcome back guys. In this video, in our playlist of Excel formulas, we will know some formulas like sum or average, count, as we seen on a previous video. But this time we are going to write more formulas in this video, like if or text formula, text functions, or mean or max, round, average, count, lookup functions, and VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP. So these all are the formulas we are going to write it down in our Excel file, and we will practice these formulas using our data. For now, I'm going to erase this all the data that we used on a previous video, but you can also use this. But I am going to write a new data, all this, and uh, and I have some more data right now in my computer right now, so I'm going to erase everything and paste every data. I have some 50 lines of data in my computer, so I will just edit and write it down here, and get back to on the and continue this video. So alright guys, I have this data with me. I have like 50 data here. So there is a product name, the when product was sale in the past, quantity. Here I have the total sales amount in dollar value. So now we are going to use different functions like sum or average or count. So by doing that, we start with total sum. We are going to want some total sum here. So C2 log C51. So close the right parenthesis and click enter. So it will give you the total number, the 340, from C2 to C51. And you can also just you see the black cursor here, just do it this way. It will give you the total sum of the how many dollars you got from selling 340 products. So there is a sales data here, so it will give you the total amount. This is a simple function for as a sum function. It adds up a range of numbers here, so it will help you to calculate total sales. So now we are going to use average function here. Average is equal to average. I want average from C52 to C51, right? So C2 to log C51. Okay, click the enter. So it will give you the average, and you can also see the average of the price. Alright, so after that you can also count numbers. Okay, so how many numbers? So count is equal to count, let's say C2 log C51, right? So there is a 50 count here, right? There is a 50 product we have, like as I told you, have 50 total product, and their data here. And after that you can also see the minimum and maximum function here, and how you can do that. You can use mean function here. So I want minimum amount in our price. So, and what is the product quantity here. So for that you need to write a minimum min C2 log C51. Click enter, so you get minimum one. We have one product in our data minimum. As I told you, we have also a mouse 12 mouse, we have keyboard 8. So and you can see the minimum $15. There is a minimum amount that our sales data. So the price 50. Alright guys, so after you done minimum, we are going to use maximum. Here for the maximum is equal to max C2 log C51, right parenthesis and click the enter. So the maximum quantity we have is 20, and we can also see this sales price. So the maximum sale like this is 800. So laptop price is 800. We don't have any more than 800 in our sales data dollar. As you can see, there is no dollar amount more than 800. So this is a way you can know what is the maximum value in your data. After that, you can also use if and if error for logical and conditional functions as a. So let's try with if. Okay, here let's use if function here. So for that you need to write is equal to if I want the high sales and low sales. So let's say I want, if there is a like more than 500, it will give you the high sales and low sales. So let's say if D is more than is greater than let's say 300, let's put with 50 right now, and so write high value, high sales, and if not, write low sales. Right, so hit the enter. So as you can see, you can also we make one mistake here, that I forgot. You have to also give the D. There is a D2 here. So by this way you can also edit your function if you got any mistake here in our formula. So this is a more than 50. So it's 800. So it gives the high sales, and you can just do this way, and it will give you the high sales and a sale low sales. Let's put with 50. Let's say I want 100. Okay, let's put with 200 here, and see the what you can get. You also need to use from this, so it will give you the high sales. Do this way and you will see, okay, there is a high, low sales, low, more than. If there is a less than 200, it will give the low, and if there is a high more than 200, it will give you the high sales. So this is the way you can know what is the amount of your, if there is a more than 200 or less than 200. And after that you can also see that let's